Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I have the Michigan Dunk High reviews for you guys. So, my class time, same size 14, comes in the regular orange Nike box. Here's a quick look at that. Always round. I'll give you guys the first look of the shoes. Boom. And so as you open it, you get the Nike Dunk High Michigans. Let's move the box out of the way. Let's get right into the shoes. These shoes originally came out in 1985 for the Be True to Your School pack. They just re-released these again this year, 2020. I believe there was another release back in 2016. Along with Kentucky Dunk Highs. Comment down below if that's correct or not. I think that's true, but I could be completely wrong. So as you get into them, you have the maize yellow quarter panel, the toe box, and the collar. And then they come with the collegiate navy laces, which I think are really cool as it is. But they also come with the white laces and the maize yellow laces, which for me, I'm gonna put the maize yellow laces in. I think that will look the best. That's just my opinion though. So as you look into these shoes more, you have the white midsole, the navy outsole, and then you have the navy blue toe cap, and then navy blue vamp, and then you also have the navy blue liner. So I did pick these up off of StockX for a little over retail, so did have to pay more than I wanted to. These have came out multiple times this year, whether they came out first drop or second drops or early access through Nike Sneakers. A lot of people have had their chance at retail. I just haven't gotten lucky in my size. I really love how the tongue isn't leather. It's like that mesh material. I'll give you guys a closer up look in a little bit. And I love how the outsole is navy. I dislike when shoes have like white outsoles. For a $120 retail, I think the quality on these is really good for that price point of a shoe. There's a lot more expensive shoes that have worse quality than these, and I think these are just a stylish, everyday wear shoe you can do in the fall and winter time because it is that high top and you can wear baggy pants over them and they will look fantastic. These are a more strange colorway than the Michigan State pair, which is the green and white pair. I just like these more because it's just that nostalgia feel of the original pack that came out. So for me, these are the ones I went with over those for now. Hopefully in the future I'll be able to get the Michigan State pair. That is a possible pickup before the end of 2020, so be on the lookout. Hopefully I'll get them. And now I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the shoe, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope to see you guys in the next one, and I hope you have a great day. Peace.